So you and your spouse have minor kids, and in case both of you were to die, you've named permanent guardians that you'd want to raise your kids in the long term, but you forgot to name short-term guardians. Big mistake. Let's talk about why. Hey guys, Elliott Feldman here, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. If you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can schedule a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. Okay, let's talk about why it's a mistake for parents to name only long-term guardians for their minor kids and not short-term guardians in their estate plan. Now, most traditional estate planning attorneys, if they help you name guardians in your will, most of the time they will only be helping you to name guardians for the long term, but this doesn't protect your kids in the immediate aftermath of a tragedy. Take this scenario where mom and dad planned a date night, so they got a babysitter to look after their kids while they were out having dinner at the local steakhouse. Now, after dinner, as they were driving back home, they were T-boned by a Mack truck due to a drunk driver who ran the red light. Unfortunately, the impact killed both mom and dad immediately, and now mom and dad, they have been living in Columbus, Ohio. The kids were with the teenage babysitter in Columbus, Ohio, but all of mom and dad's named guardians live in California. So what's going to happen to the kids when the babysitter answers the door to the police reporting that something awful just happened to mom and dad? What's the babysitter going to do? Where's the will that named legal guardians even located? Who's named as guardians to watch over the kids? How long is it going to take for those people to even get there? Most concerning, what are the police going to have to do in that situation? Well, they'll have no choice but to take the kids into the care of strangers at Protective Services. And sure, it may not be for very long, but is any amount of time that your kids are left in the care of strangers acceptable to you as a parent? I doubt it. That's why it's crucial to not only name long-term guardians, but also name short-term guardians, because in that same scenario, if mom and dad had named temporary short-term guardians who actually lived locally here in Columbus, then those short-term guardians could have acted as first responders to be able to immediately take custody of the kids while arrangements were made for the long-term guardians to pick them up. That way, the kids would never have to be taken into the care of strangers at Child Protective Services. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell next to it to be notified for new videos I post each week. And if you like it, then please hit the like button. And if you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave one. And if you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can set up a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. That's myestatemeeting.com. Again, this is Elliott Feldman, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. Take care.